So the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G is one of those phones that quietly punches above its weight, and that's what I've been liking about it so far. From the jump, it feels smooth and confident thanks to its solid mid-range power. The apps open fast, scrolling feels fluid, and everyday multitasking just works without hiccups. That big 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with the 120Hz refresh rate makes everything look crisp and lively, whether I'm watching videos, scrolling socials, or just browsing. The camera setup has been surprisingly dependable too. 50MP main camera takes sharp, colorful shots in good lighting. The ultra-wide is great for group photos or scenery, and the selfie camera holds up really well for casual videos and photos. In the hand, it feels balanced and comfortable, not cheap or awkward, and Samsung's software feels clean and familiar. Battery life has been a highlight. The 5000 mAh battery easily gets me through a full day and then some. And when I do need to change, it's quick enough to not be annoying. What I like most is that it feels reliable and well-rounded. Not trying to be flashy, just delivering solid performance. A great screen, good cameras, strong battery life, which makes it a really easy phone to enjoy using every day. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.